there guys, this is Tracy here and thank you for joining me today on our channel. And what we have today to show you is my first Tonka toys. These are wobble wheels, 2 individually packed vehicles and batteries included, so that's always useful. And of course we have a helicopter and a recycling truck. So it says press the buttons to try me, so let's just do that. So that's the helicopter, let's try the recycle truck. So this particular toy is for ages 1 and above, and we'll just have a look at the other toys in the range. So there's also a fire truck, a police truck, and we have the garbage and the helicopter, so you can collect all 4 in my first Tonka wobble wheels. And here's a little play scene on the back to show you how they can be used. So they look great fun. I particularly like the recycling truck. They're robust and chunky and nice to handle, so I'm sure they'll make a fantastic toy for any child. And if you'd like to purchase these, I'll put below a link, and that will be the best price that you can buy those for. So take a look at that. Don't forget to subscribe and to share with your friends, and I'll see you very soon.